So if you create a PO, for example,
Yes, sir.
select this vendor, enter this purchase organization.
Okay.
Can you see this condition tab in the line item? So here, actually, we are entering this the price or discount is the discount or any freight value, right,
Yes, sir.
for transportation from supplier into your plant. The material will transport, right?
Yes, sir.
So any freight value is there, you will enter. Say 1% of this value. Okay, like this.
Yes, sir.
Finally, we'll get the total price, landing price of that particular material.
Okay, sir.
So in this class, I will explain start this pricing. Okay, this is very important for a consultant.
Okay, sir.
So how this to arrive at this condition type, and if you click on analysis here, you can see this pricing procedure. Okay, this is standard. By default system, it will be there, but you have to create your own pricing procedure. Okay, you have to create your own pricing procedure. So what are the steps involved in creating your own pricing procedure? The study now. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So this is the next topic. Pricing is basically in the PO. Okay. So first study the concept of pricing. PO pricing.
PO pricing, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So what is the base price for the material that we call as gross price in SAP? Okay. That means how much is the price for one quantity per price?
Okay, sir.
Euro per 1 kg.
1 kg.
Yeah. So this is the actually the base price. In SAP they call it gross price. Okay, don't confuse with that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. After that, we have discount. If any discount is there, okay? Discount
Yes, sir.
always minus, right? Discount means it is not addition, it is minus.
Yes, sir.
100 rupees is there, 1% discount means 100 minus 1, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now gross price minus discount, what will you get? You'll get the net price. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Gross price, the discount is equal to net price.
Net price. Yes, sir.
It's 100, 1% is a discount, 99 is the net price.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. So for example, now net price is there. Now, whatever the delivery cost, you will add it. Delivery cost means the cost incurred,
Like logistic.
yeah, logistics mainly. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So it may be a freight value. Okay. It may be the insurance to that particular logistic supply.
Yes, sir.
It may be any lump sum loading and unloading charges, whatever it is. We call it the delivery cost. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So this area is for delivery cost. The net price plus the delivery cost, whatever you get, this is the landing price or effective price. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So simple example, what we can give, for example, 100 rupees, discount is one,
Minus. Yes, sir.
discount is 1%, means one value.
Yeah. Net price is 99.
Net price is becomes, now to this 99, you can add freight value.
What we have to add, sir? Okay, fine.
Freight
Right,
value,
right.
logistic charges or delivery cost.
Yes, sir.
There may be 2, okay. Insurance, maybe 1, loading and unloading, maybe 1. So 99 plus 2, 101, 102, 103. Final effective price, 103.
Yes, sir.
So this is the basics of the main basic of the your pricing total. Based on that, you can build up any your own pricing procedure. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what you can say, this is one block. Okay. About the net price. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is a block for delivery cost.
Yes, sir.
This is for effective price. Okay. So this is very, very important for the knowledge point of view and interview point of view.
Okay.
Okay. The net price is nothing but the gross price, whatever discount is the net price. Net price plus the delivery cost is equal to the effective price. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Now let us see in the system how we can do it. What are the steps involved in the pricing? Some steps we need to follow. First, you need to create a schema group for vendor.
Okay, sir.
This is one key. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then this one you need to assign to the vendor masters. Create schema group of vendor and assign to the vendor masters. This is the first step.
Yes, sir.
Then schema group of purchase organization. You need to define
Schema group of purchase organization.
purchase organization. Assign to purchase organization.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After that,
Yes, sir.
you need to define pricing procedure. Nothing but calculation scheme. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Once you've done this, then you have to link this calculation schema, this schema group of purchase organization and schema group of vendor. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Schema group of purchase organization, schema group of vendor,
Vendor
and calculation scheme.
scheme.
You need to link. The first step.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what exactly happening, for if you create a PO for that particular vendor and a particular purchase organization, that particular pricing procedure will hit. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
So say for example, now this is the PO. Let us see first step. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Schema group of vendors. Path is SPRO, step reference IMG. Materials management, purchasing. Okay. Materials management, purchasing,
Yes, sir.
then conditions. Under the
Conditions, sir.
yeah, yes. Under the conditions, define price determination process. Under which
Yes, sir.
define schema group. Here, click on the define schema group. Okay. Again, I'll show you. Materials management. Under the material
Yes, sir. Purchasing
purchasing. Under purchase
conditions,
conditions. Under the condition,
define price.
price determination process.
Yes, sir.
Schema.
And define schema group.
Select this schema group for vendor.
Yes, sir.
Click on inventory. Anything you can give.
Yes, sir.
Alphabet, numeric or anything.
Okay.
Schema group for the vendor. Save. The schema group or purchase organization.
Yes, sir.
New entries. Okay, save.
Yes, sir. Enter.
Now schema group or vendor, you need to assign to the in the vendor masters.
Purchasing organization. Okay.
Schema group vendor, you have to link to the vendor
Yeah, vendor master.
it is purchasing organization data. Okay, vendor master
Yes, sir.
organization data. We can go with the XK02. Select this vendor, company code or purchase organization PO01. Enter. It will come to purchase organization data, schema group here. We define 21. Okay, schema group of vendor.
Yes, sir.
Save. So first step is this schema group of vendor, send to the vendor masters. Second step, schema group of purchase organization defined, assigned to the purchase organization. Okay,
Yes, sir.
schema group assignment to the purchase organization. Click on position, find your own purchase organization, assign that. Okay, this is the schema group purchase organization we define, assigned to the purchase organization. Okay, save. So schema group of vendor we defined, assigned to the vendor master. Schema group of purchase organization we defined, assigned to the purchase organization.
Yes, sir.
Next step is to define this calculation schema.
Yes, sir.
So define calculation schema. Okay. Define.
Yes. Calculation scheme.
Click on new entry. Anything you can give. Okay. I'll give ZM000. Pricing procedure. We're already there in this.
Same key.
RAM 002. Save.
Yes, sir.
Now, once you define after that you have to, in the calculation schema or pricing procedure, you need to maintain this. To arrive at this effective price, you need to maintain some condition types. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Condition types are nothing but, pricing elements. So gross price represents one condition type. Discount represents one condition type. Right values are represents one condition types. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Pricing elements means the input you are we want to input some value for the calculation. For that, you will define the condition types. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Uh, like I told in the PO, right? In the PO, you see it.
Yes, sir. Item details.
So, for example, freight value, insurance value. These are all pricing elements represented by the condition types. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Now we need to create that. Okay. Got it? So before creation, it is better to have a Excel sheet to
Okay, sir.
how that calculation is going to happen. Okay. Always should have some sheet that then only can convert them. Like simple one. So say for example, gross price. Okay. So what are the amount you're entering here? Okay. So for example, 100.
Yes, sir.
And then discount is there. Discount, say for example, 1%. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
what is the calculation out of from this taking the discount? Okay, 1%.
Yes, sir.
What is the value? 1 here.
1%. Yeah.
Yeah. Now come to the net price.
It's 99.
This minus this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then any freight value, any loading and unloading, any insurance value. Okay, freight value separate.
Yes, sir.
Maybe in percentage. Okay,
1. Yeah.
1% is there, or maybe lump sum value. It depends. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
From this, calculating 1%. Okay. So this is the value. Loading and unloading, for example, 1 lump sum value. Insurance
Yes, sir.
lump sum.
1.
So this is the effective price.
Effective price.
Means from the net price, what are the value you're adding here? Okay. So this,
Yes, sir.
what are the value you'll add?
3 values.
Effective price. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, these are all input, right? Gross price is input. Okay. This will represent condition types in SAP. The standard condition type AB, XX or PB00. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'll tell you when PB XX will come in the PO and PB00. Okay.
Okay, sir.
For discount, there will be standard condition type. Okay. This one. Net price is a calculation after you get it. Freight RA1. Loading and unloading, we don't have any standard thing. We can call
Yes, sir.
the particular condition type and we can create it. This also you can create it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is how it looks like. Okay. So anything, if you go to the project, first you need to get this Excel first. Okay. How this calculation happens, inform with the your client and then move forward. Okay. So you understood. So this is the basic thing.
In project, we have to do like this also, sir.
Yeah, you have to first, like release strategy, we prepared matrix, right? So you should prepare this matrix.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Then it should be very clear to all, right? So this is the planet delivery
Yes, sir.
cost block. This is the net price block, how we get the net price. And this is the effective price.
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is the basic of this. Okay. Now slowly we will move on to the in the system how we can maintain. Okay. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, materials management, purchasing.
In this also same, sir. After that condition, define price, define schema.
Yeah, defined price determination process, then come to the calculation schema here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In this calculation schema, we already defined one schema, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So come here, select this, click on control data, double click on control data.
Okay, sir.
You will come to this. Okay. So here is a place where we can create our own pricing procedure. Click on new entries. Okay. First column step you have to write it. Okay. I'll serial number.
Yes.
Counter is there and condition type. This is the condition type.
Okay, sir.
So first we need to enter the PB00 or PBXX, whatever it is. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'll enter PB00. Then the standard step we need to follow. This is for the column for the print. PO base value should print, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
For this, there will be a small routine will be there. Okay. That one you need to mention printing at item level. Select this.
Okay.
So this is standard. Okay.
Okay, sir.
After this, in the subtotal, here you need to select this 9. 9 means that particular gross value will hit to this particular table and the field. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This will be used for some other purpose by the program. Okay. SAP program.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
enter the step 10 only. Here 2. If a step is same, right, then we can enter 2.
Yes, sir.
Step is same, then counter, we can count it, this one is 1, this one is 2. Okay. Then
Okay, sir. Means step is same, counter is different.
yeah, if step is same, then you are telling system that this is step count 1, this is step
Yes, sir. Count 2.
yeah. So same thing we can maintain here, x, then 9, then subtotal requirement column. You need to maintain the small routine by standard, that is condition exclusion. Okay. Here small routine will be there, means small program will.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is a code. If we click on source text, there will be a program written, the standard one. So what is that meaning is you entered gross price condition, 2 conditions, right? PBXX and PB.
Yes, sir.
There will be some program. Okay. This time
Okay.
will be there. So in SAP, this programming language is ABAP. Okay. AB
Okay, sir.
separate module program. Okay. It's like simple English.
Yes.
I don't know this. Even technical people may know this. Okay. All this condition.
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
PPDS programming, sir.
Yeah. You
Like,
might be knowing this. You can have get because all programming. Is like simple English only. Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay. I don't like programming. That's why I chose functionals. Okay. So this is the program which determine in which condition in the PO PBXX should hit and PB00 should hit. Okay. I'll tell you. Okay. Later. Enter.
Yes, sir.
Enter. Enter. Okay. Now come to the Excel sheet here. Okay. Next is discount. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Discount. So 20 step, no need to count. Standard we can choose from the menu. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
it may start with the R, discount on the gross. Okay. It
Yes, sir.
is percentage.
Yeah.
Okay. Now This should calculate from the value which is stored here. Right? In
Yes, sir.
it, what we are expecting, the discount value, the user will enter discount. Discount should calculate from this gross price, correct?
Yes, sir.
Same thing here, what you are mentioning here, and means whatever the user will enter, the discount is based on the what are the values stored here. Okay,
Yes, sir.
enter. Now net price. Net price is what are the values stored here 10 and what are the values stored here in 20. That is your from
Net price.
to. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Since discount is a minus, you always deduct whatever the value stored in 20. Okay,
Yes, sir.
enter. Net price, you have to mention the step number. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay. So this is very important, this calculation. Okay. This is gross price you are entering. After that, discount in 20 step. Value of the discount will be stored in 20.
Yeah.
Net price, you are adding 10 and 20. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Net price will store here. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Net price will store in this. Okay. Got it?
Yeah. Yes.
Now come down for the freight bag. Save it. Now come to the freight value. Step is 40. Counter is 1. Now freight is percentage, for example. FR A1. 5%. So freight is based on the net price, correct? See, this Excel sheet,
Yeah.
freight what we have calculated is based on the 1% is there, is based on this price, right?
Yes, sir.
Same thing you need to follow here. If it is dependency percentage, if you are calculating in terms of percentage, then freight should calculate from the value stored here.
Okay.
Okay. If it is a
Yes, sir.
enter. Now enter 40. Okay. Now if you are entering 40, the second time you're entering, so counter is 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then this is the insurance. Okay, this is the Z,
Insurance.
but this is the not the standard condition type. I only created. Next class I will tell you
Okay.
how we can create our own condition types. Okay.
Okay, sir.
40 step. Second time in entering means counter is 2. This is the insurance. Okay. Now insurance, if it is based on the percentage, if it is okay, how it is calculated based on the percentage means from the net price it should calculate. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
What I should write here? That.
30.
Okay. Now 40 is there. Third time you're entering, so counter is 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
For example, you are loading and unloading lump sum 100 rupees, 200 rupees you're giving for the or who are unloading the material.
Product, yeah.
So you can directly enter some lump sum value. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Enter. Enter. Okay. Now this is the lump sum value. Okay. It
Yes, sir.
depends on anything here.
Okay.
So no need to write anything here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now for this freight, what we need to enter is account key and accruals. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Tell when why we are entering in when I am doing the account determination class. Okay. For as of now, you just enter this account key, which is standard one. Okay. When you do the next class, I will tell you why we are entering this.
Okay, sir.
So FR1, FR1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now this is the freight value. Okay. Got it. Now next is effective price, right? In our Excel, what is that? These are the freight column. Now effective price, this one, correct? Effective price
Yes, sir.
means what are the values for your panel delivery cost plus the net price, right? Effective price means whatever the net price is there, okay, net price plus this, plus this, plus this. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Same
Yeah.
thing, same thing you have to maintain here. So effective price means first you need to enter net price. Net price, effective price is equal to first you have to enter the net price from is the net price. Okay. Net price will store in 30.
Yes, sir.
So when you're coming to the effective price, 30 here. And what are the value for the delivery costs will be stored in 40, correct?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Enter this. Okay. Okay.
40.
Yeah, you have to enter this step. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then I will delete this. Okay.
Change this to slow.
So next step is 50. Okay. Here what you are doing is effective price.
Okay.
Price means what is the net price which is stored in 30, correct?
40. Yeah. Yes, sir.
And from 30 to what are the values are there in the 40, you have to add it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So did you get this logic?
Yes, sir.
Effective price means
Some
the value.
confusion is there, but once.
Yeah. Effective price means what is the value stored in 30 plus what are the values stored in 40.
Yes, sir. 40.
Yeah.
40. Yeah.
30 to 40. Okay. This value is stored in 50.
Yes, sir.
Same thing what we are doing in Excel.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So what we are doing, so here is a
Yes, sir.
this one is 10, correct? This one is 20. This one is 30. This one is 40,
30. 40.
and you're counting
40.
Okay,
Effective price 50.
this one is 50. Okay, got it?
50.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Discount you are calculating from what are the gross price from, say for example, this one is from and to. Okay, discount your
Yes, sir.
10. Okay, net price is,
Yeah.
you'll get the net price here. Okay, then come to the
Okay, sir.
price, how you are calculating 10 to 20. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Net price is
Yeah.
10 to 20. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Price is this. Now freight, this is all you're entering freight and all. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
So this is 30. Net price is here. Okay.
Yeah, net price is 30. Yes, sir.
Now which is calculated from 10 and 20. Okay. Means
Yes,
this
sir.
this one adding means your discount means minus 100 minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
One.
You're using for your net.
Yes, sir.
Once net price is this one, you're entering from and to here. This value will store here. Okay. Now,
Okay. Yes, sir.
whatever the value in the delivery cost, it will be stored in the.
40.
Now, when it comes to the effective price, whatever adding this one to this one
Mm.
means
Yes, sir.
the value stored in 30 and what are the value stored in
And 40.
you're adding. Correct? You get the effective.
Effective. Yes, sir.
So this is the logic. So this is the basic one. So we can create with this logic many different pricing procedure.
Okay, sir.
You got the logic right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So then save it. Now this is your calculation schema. Okay. Now next step, what is the next step? Next step is schema determinations. Okay. Schema determinations. Whatever the
Determination.
schema you created here, link to the schema group of vendor, link to schema group of purchaser. That we will do it in the determinations. Come back.
Yes,
Schema determination here. Okay. Schema determination.
sir.
Double click on schema for standard purchase order. Click on the new entries. Schema determination purchase organization 2021. Schema group of vendor 21.
Yes,
Then ZM0002. Okay. Enter.
sir. Yes, sir.
Save. This completes the step for the pricing. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now we create PO. I mean 21 and this particular vendor, which vendor is PO01. Double click here. We want to see schema group first. Go to purchase organization, purchasing data. So this one is 20, right? So this is not the vendor. It should be
Yes, sir.
shown this one. Enter. Double click on this. Go to this one. Okay.
Yes, sir. Schema group.
Okay. Enter. So that particular vendor schema. Okay. And there is a link to the vendor master. Purchase organization schema link to purchase organization. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And in the schema determination, what we have? Schema of purchase organization, schema of the vendor. We are linking our own pricing procedures.
Yes, sir.
Now we created this particular vendor, this particular purchase organization. Okay. The schema of this purchase, schema of this vendor linked to our own pricing procedure. Okay. Means
Yes, sir.
schema group of purchase organization 2021. Schema group of vendors. 20.
Vendors.
Then calculation schema is linked, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we created view after this configuration. Now come to the condition tab. Okay. Now we can see this whether this pricing procedure is our own or not. We can check it. Click on analysis here. Click this. See, can you see this pricing procedures? Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is our own pricing procedures. Okay. Come back. Now, these are the conditions what we are maintaining, right?
Yes, sir.
So these are the conditions of what we have maintained here. So this is schema determination. So in the schema determination, just to check it how it is schema group of purchase 2021. Okay, this one. Okay, based on this
Yes, sir.
pricing procedure is hit. Okay, now come to the, say for example 1% is the discount, then it will deduct. Then 1% of this means 0.12. 12 minus 0.12, 11.88. Now 1% of this, 1% of the net price.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why it is calculating? Okay. So whether it is calculating same thing or whether it is calculating from here. Fight is calculating 1 minute. Mistake. MM002. Okay, it is should calculate from the net price. So what is the net price? A simple will give 100,000 EQ. Okay. Now it is very clear, right? 1,000
Yes, sir.
is 10. Okay, not 990.
Yeah.
Okay. Now freight should calculate from the net price. 1% of the 990 is 9.9. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Insurance is 1%, for example. So that is also 9.9 because it is calculating from the net price. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Now, lump sum value. Say, for example, you will give 2, enter. Then what happens? 2, it will come here. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
effective price means it will add from net price and whatever the value entered here.
Yes, sir.
This is how calculation. So you should always cross check. Okay, you should always cross check. This is how pricing will work. Okay.
Yes, sir. Park.
Okay. Some more entry we need to enter. No problem. Okay. Some error is there, but this is for the pricing calculation should happen. Okay.
Yes, sir.
About the
Yeah.
complete pricing.